Hey, what's up? And welcome back. In this video, I'm going to take you to Capalonga in Camarines Norte province, or we call it Bicol region of the Philippines. And I really want to show you this beach town because I think it's really nice. And I think tourists, especially from other countries, should visit this town. And yeah, come check it out and enjoy. So that's it. That's Capalonga of Camarines Norte. And I hope I made you want to go visit it in the future. It's really amazing there. I love it. And I'm really sure that you guys will love it too. So thank you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so I can see you next time. Bye.